Hello viewers, my name is Folashade Oba from Nigerian Packaging News. We are at the Sheraton Hotel Lagos, where Mamata Extrusion System is celebrating a successful installation of their 2 new blown film lines in Nigeria. Do stay tuned.
We already have before this 5 lines. We are having lines in Anudu, 2 lines. There was a line in International, there was a line in Maple Plast, and there was also a line in Astrocrat, a small line, 1.75 meter, about 350 kg per hour. They bought a new line which was about 500 kg per hour, and Solmudia bought a new line which is about 300 kg per hour. So these are the 2 recent lines which we are celebrating here.
There we have launched 2 different lines. One is a high output line of 500 kilos an hour with IPC and a fully loaded machine with all automations, and another one is a entry level line of a 300 kilos an hour. Both the machines are technologically up to date, very latest machine, and that will serve Nigerian requirement very well.
One of the oldest flexible packaging company in Nigeria, and it's good to be in this forum, and thanks a lot for the recognition, and I'm sure Nigeria has a great way to move forward, and I'm seeing a lovely prospect, let's say a decade from now.
And earlier than when I was in India. So why we have started with him? Because their machine is very good, and it is commercially investment wise. If anybody wanted to start, it is easier to start, because if you consider the other machineries from Europe, Americas, their machinery is very costly, and some people do not have that kind of investment which they can do. Maybe because of the pockets is not so big. So people started, and we are getting the quality which is equivalent to the European countries.
We have here about more than 50 customers for our bag maker and pouch maker, and we have 7 lines for blown film, so we have 5 customers for blown film lines. And in anybody you name for bag maker and pouch maker, they have our lines in Nigeria.
These extrusion lines are a continuous running machines, and we support our customer in the 2-3 different ways. One important thing is frequently our engineers are visiting Nigeria to address the issues of the machines which our customers are facing. We also have internet connectivity through which the whole machine system is get connected with our system in India, and we assist them and we solve the problem online. And the third one is by telephonic call. We try to solve the problem of all the processing related problems is there. So we support 3 ways.
This Mamata Brampton company in India, though I'm an Indian man, they did a very good step by doing this kind of event where we learn the technology they are trying to do, and where almost every packaging company came together and we discussed a lot, and it will really help. I feel like that if more companies like this can come, bring everybody together, share their experience and talk about the technologies.
We've known them for about 2 years. We've visited their plants, the extrusion plant, the machinery plants. We've been there, but we just recently received our machines.
Since we offer a very customized line and which are plug and play type, we normally don't need to have a continuous support. We need a periodic support. So service engineer come and give the support, and we have the full support from India. At present, no plan to have an office in Nigeria, but we will have a periodic visit of engineer to support.
Definitely we will have a plan. But not soon. Maybe say 2 years down the line, we'll be going to open an office in Nigeria.
The Nigerian packaging industry is really big and really competitive. It's really big, and it can accommodate more participants. It's growing, and what we can actually do is we have to liaise together. Instead of look at it as a competition, it should be more of a collaboration, because you have people that sell materials, you have people that produce materials, and you have the banks, people that source the forex for those that import and those you buy from locally. So if we do that, then we'll all enjoy the industry.
Nigeria packaging industries, if I see in total Africa, probably uh, the the most consumption, the foremost consumptions of plastics in Nigeria because of population. The packaging industry is all about the population. So, being a most populated country in Africa, the Nigeria has got the best and all opportunity available to go for all latest technology packaging which is available worldwide.
You say Nigeria, I have seen every day changing, every day growing up. Is no more a country where people are not safe. So it's a very pleasant country, very pleasant God-gifted country with the sixth world largest oil reserve and highest per capita car. And people are very educated. The English speaking is very nice and very straightforward, very honest. So it has no other reason that it can't become tomorrow a developed country. So I see it will. The only thing is that we all have to be very authentic. We have to add value to the business, not cut the corners and reduce the cost and fight.
In fact, the management I think would be in a better position. Like I just told that I just came on board, and I really thank on behalf of the management and the entire team.
The message to customer is say that though we are in Nigeria, but don't think like you are in Nigeria, because it's a very, very naturally God-gifted country and very educated and honest and people, authentic people. Give them value addition. Add value to their lives. And believe me, they will in return give you a big business, big growth, and you'll enjoy. And this is a country which can be tomorrow a heaven on the earth.